Shiba Inu just lit the fuse. Burn rate skyrockets 3,464% as new CEO elections begin. In the last 24 hours alone, nearly 10 million SHIB have been destroyed, whale outflows have doubled, and the price is now coiling at key breakout levels. Add in the launch of Shiba Inu's first-ever DAO elections and an 87% bullish market sentiment, and you've got the perfect storm for a major rally. Some experts are even reviving the 1-cent SHIB dream, calling it crazy but possible based on crypto's history of pulling off the impossible. Let's break down the burns, the whale moves, and exactly how high SHIB could run from here. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news? And how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 10th of August, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,354 units. SHIB's price is down 1% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $249 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $8 billion, ranking it as the 29th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. SHIB price explodes. Burn rate up 3,464% as elections begin. Shiba Inu burn rate surge has actually reached unprecedented levels, with a massive 3,464% increase in just 24 hours. And this has destroyed 9,814,765 SHIB tokens while sparking a major price rally. The Shiba Inu burn rate surge is happening right now alongside the launch of DAO elections, which is creating some pretty perfect conditions for SHIB to target 1,500 units. This particular Shiba Inu burn rate surge represents the most significant deflationary pressure the meme coin has experienced this year. Record token burns are driving the Shiba Inu price rally. The recent burning activity shows an absolutely staggering 13,977% increase compared to previous rates. At the time of writing, SHIB is trading at 1,236 units and consolidating near some key breakout levels, with the Shiba Inu price rally gaining momentum from this reduced supply pressure. Technical indicators are actually suggesting the Shiba Inu price rally could extend towards several key resistance levels. Shiba Inu DAO elections launch successfully. The DAO team stated, "We appreciate everyone's valuable feedback regarding the elections. We will be sharing detailed information soon. Please note that the DAO is not yet fully operational, currently supporting only one voting strategy. The Shiba Inu DAO elections represent a major step toward decentralization, with the team adding that they are actively working to introduce additional features shortly. These Shiba Inu DAO elections will enable direct community governance participation, which is pretty significant for the ecosystem." Shiba Inu 2025 forecast turns bullish. Market sentiment shows 87% bullish readings right now, which is supporting a positive Shiba Inu 2025 forecast. The combination of burning mechanisms and DAO governance creates some strong fundamentals for the Shiba Inu 2025 forecast projections, along with increased community engagement. All these dynamics are setting up SHIB to enjoy an extended bull market well into 2025, and traders are paying attention. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu sees 100% jump in whale activity in just 2 days. The biggest Shiba Inu wallets have just made their most substantial move in days, with outflows from major centralized exchanges more than doubling between Thursday and Saturday. Into the block data shows that 183.03 billion SHIB left large holder addresses on August 7th, but by August 9th, that figure had surged to 359.6 billion, a shift that occurred as the token's price increased from 1,300 units to 1,400 units. On paper, large holders refers to any address holding more than 0.1% of the circulating supply. In SHIB's case, this includes individual whales, as well as some of the industry's largest exchanges. Coinbase, Binance, and Upbit all sit near the top of the leaderboard, collectively holding billions of dollars worth of SHIB. When coins leave these exchange-linked wallets, it often signals that buyers are moving them into private custody, a move that typically follows accumulation rather than sell-offs. SHIB price backs up outflows. From August 2nd to August 6th, both price and outflow volumes barely moved, with activity levels staying within a narrow range. This calm was broken mid-week, suggesting a shift in strategy by large holders, whether through coordinated withdrawals or opportunistic buying following recent price drops. As exchanges act as liquidity hubs and hold some of the largest SHIB wallets, movements of this scale can quickly influence the available supply on the open market. While spikes in large holder outflows can sometimes indicate panic selling during volatile conditions, the combination of rising outflows and a slow price increase suggests a different narrative, one in which SHIB is being withdrawn from exchanges with the intention of holding it. If this trend continues and the exchange float shrinks, any fresh demand could lead to a faster-than-expected increase in prices. Now it's time for the main story of today's video: Shiba Inu to 1 cent rally. Doubted, but expert calls it possible. Shiba Inu 1 cent targets are being hotly debated right now, and the question of will Shiba Inu reach 1 cent by 2030 is actually generating some pretty fierce discussion across crypto communities. Recent Shiba Inu price prediction analysis shows the token would need an absolutely massive 82,272% rally from current levels. Yet experts are arguing that Shiba Inu 1 cent possible scenarios aren't completely out of the question based on historical precedents. The Shiba Inu 1 cent prediction timeline might be facing skepticism, but community advocates are maintaining their optimism about reaching this ambitious target. Expert dismisses Shiba Inu 1 cent skepticism. Luis Delgado, who goes by Del Cxpito in the Shiba Inu community, has actually been fighting back against skeptics who are dismissing Shiba Inu 1 cent projections as completely impossible. The community figure recently took to social media to challenge naysayers about the token's potential, and he's not backing down. At the time of writing, Delgado's stance reflects confidence that Shiba Inu price prediction models shouldn't just be dismissed entirely. He's been pointing to crypto's history of delivering some pretty unexpected results, which gives credence to the idea that Shiba Inu 1 cent possible scenarios might actually happen. Historical crypto events support bulls. The crypto market has been delivering several impossible events over the years, and these lend some serious credence to ambitious Shiba Inu 1 cent possible scenarios. SHIB's own 2021 rally generated gains in the hundreds of millions of %, while Bitcoin's institutional adoption was once considered pure fantasy by most people. These precedents are fueling optimism about will Shiba Inu reach 1 cent by 2030, even though current market conditions would require that massive 82,272% increase from today's price of around 1,214 units. The numbers might seem crazy, but crypto has a track record of making crazy things happen. Community maintains Shiba Inu 1 cent prediction. Timeline optimism. Despite the fact that there haven't been any major announcements since mid-June, community figures are continuing to support the Shiba Inu 1 cent prediction timeline. Shiba Inu's marketing specialist Lucy, along with other members, keep portraying the target as realistic and are maintaining their bullish Shiba Inu price prediction outlook. The token actually rallied to nearly 1,600 units last month before retreating to current levels around 1,200 units. Yet community confidence in reaching Shiba Inu 1 cent targets hasn't wavered at all. They're still pushing the narrative that this goal is achievable.